Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your subscription on your App Store running iOS 18. So if you have your iPhone and you want to see what subscription are running, then let me show you how you can see this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the top right. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your account here. This will use Face ID. Now from this page here, you want to find subscription, which is right here. Just tap on that. Now this will show you all the subscription you have enabled. If you don't have any subscription on, you'll see something similar to this. You'll see a message here, you do not have any subscription. However, if you do have any subscription, say for example YouTube or Snapchat, you'll see it right here. And there you go guys, that is how to manage your subscription on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.